Welcome to your daily English lesson. This lesson is all about your daily routine, the simple actions you do every day at home. Today, we are using the shadowing technique. Shadowing means you listen to my voice and immediately repeat every word, trying to copy my speed and pronunciation. This is the best way to improve your speaking fluency and sound more natural. Listen closely, and remember to repeat every sentence 2 times to build your fluency. If you like this technique, please subscribe so you don't miss our next lessons. Let's begin this practical English speaking workout now. I hit the snooze button once this morning. I hit the snooze button once this morning. I brush my teeth right now. I brush my teeth right now. I rinse the toothbrush with water. I rinse the toothbrush with water. I need to shave my face today. I need to shave my face today. I always wipe the bathroom mirror. I always wipe the bathroom mirror. I use 2 pumps of shampoo. I use 2 pumps of shampoo. I must find my clean socks. I must find my clean socks. I tie my shoelaces tightly. I tie my shoelaces tightly. I grab my wallet and keys. I grab my wallet and keys. The alarm clock went off at 6. The alarm clock went off at 6. I opened the window for fresh air. I opened the window for fresh air. I put my pajamas away. I put my pajamas away. The towel hangs on the bathroom door. The towel hangs on the bathroom door. I put the dirty clothes in the basket. I put the dirty clothes in the basket. I stir the soup with a spoon. I stir the soup with a spoon. I quickly wipe the spilled water. I quickly wipe the spilled water. I loaded the dishwasher just now. I loaded the dishwasher just now. I need to take out the trash bag. I need to take out the trash bag. I put the clean dishes away. I put the clean dishes away. I wipe down the kitchen counter. I wipe down the kitchen counter. I put the milk back in the fridge. I put the milk back in the fridge. I set the timer for the oven. I set the timer for the oven. I am brewing a fresh pot of coffee. I am brewing a fresh pot of coffee. I need to sharpen this knife. I need to sharpen this knife. The water is boiling on the stove. The water is boiling on the stove. The plate was placed into the sink. The plate was placed into the sink. I poured milk into the coffee cup. I poured milk into the coffee cup. I cut the onion very carefully. I cut the onion very carefully. I put the leftovers in a container. I put the leftovers in a container. I dust the shelves every week. I dust the shelves every week. I vacuum the carpet thoroughly. I vacuum the carpet thoroughly. I change the bed sheets on Sunday. I change the bed sheets on Sunday. I need to scrub the bathroom floor. I need to scrub the bathroom floor. I am running the washing machine. I am running the washing machine. I hung the wet clothes to dry. I hung the wet clothes to dry. I need to sweep the front porch. I need to sweep the front porch. I mop the kitchen floor now. I mop the kitchen floor now. I should clean the windows soon. I should clean the windows soon. I use a special cleaner for the glass. I use a special cleaner for the glass. The living room looks very dusty. The living room looks very dusty. The plants need to be watered now. The plants need to be watered now. The batteries need replacing soon. The batteries need replacing soon. The dirty rags are in the bucket. The dirty rags are in the bucket. The sofa needs to be straightened. The sofa needs to be straightened. I'll pick up the groceries later. I'll pick up the groceries later. I think we are running out of soap. I think we are running out of soap. I already paid the electric bill. I already paid the electric bill. I'm going to take a short break. I'm going to take a short break. I need a clean fork now. I need a clean fork now. I will clear the table quickly. I will clear the table quickly. I'll be downstairs in a minute. I'll be downstairs in a minute. We need to turn down the heat. We need to turn down the heat. The internet went down again. The internet went down again. Let's look for a new movie. Let's look for a new movie. I put my wallet in my back pocket. I put my wallet in my back pocket. I locked the screen door securely. I locked the screen door securely. I dropped the mail on the table. I dropped the mail on the table. I poured a glass of cold water. I poured a glass of cold water. I wiped my hands on the napkin. I wiped my hands on the napkin. I will wash the car this weekend. I will wash the car this weekend. I need to organize my closet. I need to organize my closet. I should wear the blue shirt today. I should wear the blue shirt today. The coat is hanging on the rack. The coat is hanging on the rack. The clothes need to be ironed next. The clothes need to be ironed next. I forgot to take out the keys. I forgot to take out the keys. I need to fix the loose shelf. I need to fix the loose shelf. The remote is under the cushion. The remote is under the cushion. I dimmed the lights for the movie. I dimmed the lights for the movie. I set the alarm clock for tomorrow. I set the alarm clock for tomorrow. I put the dinner leftovers into the fridge. I put the dinner leftovers into the fridge. I brushed my teeth for 2 minutes. I brushed my teeth for 2 minutes. I shut down the computer completely. I shut down the computer completely. I am reading before falling asleep. I am reading before falling asleep. Hey, did you like this lesson? Hit the like button now, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more lessons. You just finished your A2-B1 speaking workout. You practiced shadowing all the sentences about daily chores and life at home. Keep practicing to sound more natural and reach fluency. See you in the next lesson.